Module 4, Convincing, Useful Language. As we talk about strategies and language of convincing a reluctant client to cooperate with a procedure or task, keep in mind that the language you learned in Module 3 is still relevant. That is, when you get to the client's room, you'll need to alert the client to your presence, greet them, and perhaps introduce yourself. You'll want to explain your purpose, and when you're done, you'll need to take your leave properly. And while you're there, you'll want to make sure that the client is on board with the procedure or task. But this is where the problem comes in. What if the client is not on board? What can you say if they are reluctant and refuse to cooperate? First of all, avoid a bossy, patronizing tone. That is, avoid telling clients what you are going to do and what they should do, as if you're their boss or parent and they have no choice in the matter. Listen to the following healthcare aid. Walter, it's time to go to the bathroom. Stand up. Don't forget your cane. Now walk over to the bathroom. Pull down your pants. Sit down. No, I said sit down. You have to sit down. No one wants to clean up the mess you're going to make if you go to the bathroom standing up. Sit down right here. Okay, you need to sit there for a few minutes. Don't move. Did you notice how bossy that sounded? The ideas were bossy and patronizing. Walter isn't offered any choice, and he's treated a bit like a child. The grammar was bossy. It had a lot of imperatives. The words were bossy. The intonation was bossy. Did you notice that there was a lot of flat, falling intonation? There was no rise then fall. Listen to the difference in tone. Okay, stand up. Don't forget your cane. Okay, stand up. Don't forget your cane. With the bossy ideas, grammar, words, and intonation, Walter will probably find this HCA annoying and upsetting. Unless he's in a very good mood, he's very likely to dig his heels in and refuse to cooperate. Broach tasks and procedures as optional suggestions, offers of assistance, and choices. Instead of starting out by telling clients what you are going to do and what they are going to do, bring up the task or procedure more tentatively. Broach the task or procedure in a way that gives them some choice. Maybe mention it as an option or a suggestion that they are free to do or not, or as an offer of assistance. Give them a choice in what they do and whether they do it. Do you want to stop at the bathroom? How about if we head over to the cafeteria? Would you like to wash your face? Would you like me to help you with your stretching exercise? Are you ready to get up? What would you like to do first? Maybe we can start with the soup. I think this is a good time for a bath. What do you think? Is this a good time for a bath, or would you prefer a shower? Would you prefer a tub bath or a shower today? Which sweater do you like? Do you want this one or this one? Invite the client to work with you. While you are doing the task or procedure, use language that invites the client to work with you. Let's try it together. Let's just walk over to the bathroom here. Let's start with the top button. Let me help you up. Okay, you can lift up your leg. Can you stand up on your own? Can I just get you to lean forward? Could you just lift your right leg for a moment? I need you to lift your left arm. This is what we're going to do. First, grab onto the bar here. Using let's and we communicates that you and the client are on the same team and working together. Remember, use polite request forms. Sometimes you do need to be a bit pushy, especially to ensure the client's safety. Saying you have to and you need to sound more bossy than using I and we statements. I need you to lean forward. This is what we're going to do. First, grab onto the bar. But again, it all depends on your intonation. Demonstrate care and concern. When a client is reluctant, it's important that you listen carefully to both their verbal and nonverbal communication. Active listening and expressions of empathy and offers of help and reassurance show that you are taking their concerns seriously. Do you want to tell me about it? It's hard with arthritis. That water looks scary, but it's really just nice and warm and only 2 inches deep. Is there something I can do that will make it easier for you? Is there something you need? Do you need pain medication before you get up for a shower? Oh no, I'm sorry, you got chilled. That's no fun and makes it hard to want to get in the tub again, right? How about if I turn up the thermostat and I'll get a heat lamp as well? How does that sound? Remind clients of the benefits. Remind clients about what they will gain from the procedure or task. Will it help them feel better? Will they feel refreshed? Will they then be able to do something else they enjoy? Did a respected authority say they should do it? Let's get you dressed so we can head to the rec room and sit in the sunshine. You'll feel so much better after you take the meds, and I'll bring you a nice cup of tea. I see here that you have some lovely smelling body wash that we can use. You'll feel so much better when you're all clean and in fresh smelling clothes. Just think about how relaxing it will be to get into the warm water. It's really important to bathe so you don't get itchy and rashy. What do you think? Your doctor has asked you to take these medications. You can talk to him when he comes, but for now, you need to start taking your medicine. Use positive feedback and compliments to encourage the client. Provide encouragement even for tiny successes. Great! Nice choice. Good job. All right. Just one more. Just a few more minutes. Can we keep going? You're doing great. It looks like we can keep going. And sincerely compliment them for their effort, their choices, and anything else that might raise their spirits. That color looks good on you. I like how you're standing up so straight. I love that picture. What a cheerful scarf. I love those bright colors. Oh, what a sweet little baby. Oh, look at that handsome dad. He looks so kind. Tell me about your mom. Thank you for showing me the picture of your mother. In summary, when you're faced with convincing a reluctant client to do something they don't want to do, try the following. Avoid a bossy, pushy, patronizing, or threatening tone. Instead, broach tasks as optional suggestions, offers of assistance, and choices. In other words, ask instead of tell. Invite cooperation using lots of let statements to show you're in this together with your client. Use polite request and suggestion grammar. Respond to your client's concerns with active listening, empathy, and offers of help. As necessary, remind clients of the benefits of cooperating and provide encouraging feedback and compliments. As you use these strategies, you may find that your reluctant clients are actually not so reluctant.